Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and happy new year. I know it's been like really long since I posted any tutorials or any content on my YouTube channel, and I know that can be quite challenging because I have new subscribers, and I know most of you saw my content from YouTube Shorts, the shorts I upload. So if you're new to this channel, I officially welcome you. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. um yeah so I know it's been long since I've posted a content, and I don't want it to look like I'm not active, or I'm not I'm trying to look for the right words to use. I'm not active, or I'm not uploading stuff to my channel. That's not the issue. So the reason why I made this video is like an update to just let you guys know that I'm still here, I'm still alive. I'm still here, and I'm still going to give you guys content. I'm still going to post tutorials. It might just take me a while because school just resumed. So to anyone out there who just resumed school, happy resumption. So I just resumed back to school. I'm a nursing student. That's what I am, studied in the university, nursing. I'm a nursing student. Okay, so to anyone out there who's a nursing student just like me, they are probably going to understand how challenging it is, because combining YouTube and nursing school together can be, it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie, because nursing school is time consuming, because we have like a lot of readings and and you don't want to fail your nursing classes. So, and also YouTube takes time, because you have to think of the content you have to create. You have to think of the time you're going to use, and the time to edit a video. It's really that's another story for another day. So I hope you guys understand all of this. And but yeah, I'm working to provide, to give content to you guys. um so it's not like I'm going to be like this throughout this year. I'm definitely working on giving you guys tutorials, content. It might just be a bit slow for now. It might be a bit slow for now till I get myself together for this semester in school. But yeah, so that's basically what has been going on in my life right now. School has been time consuming, and that's why I've not been able to upload any content for you guys. I'm sorry about that, but um I am going to give you guys content. Okay, just be patient with me and keep following me. Okay. Follow me on all my social media platforms. You can find me on Instagram at beauty by a day, and YouTube. I think those are the only two I have for my business page. But anyways, so I'm still going to do another video to officially introduce myself to every new subscribers to this channel, but that'll be for another day. So this was just a quick one to update you guys that I'm still here, beauty by a day, or Adewumi, anyone you guys want to say. Is still I'm still very much here. I'm working to think, because I don't just want to push out something for putting out sake, if that makes sense. I want to give you guys quality video, so it's going to take a while, and I'm trying to improve and just give better content than I did last year, 2022. So, and that also is going to take time, because to execute it is going to take another time on its own. But there's this particular video that I forgot. Not like forgot. I did not finish editing it before 2022 ended. I it's I'm going to put the video, the something right here. So that, I think that's the only video that I did not post last year, 2022, but I'm going to post it so that it can leave my editing, whatever. and I still think that the video is still going to be useful to anyone out there. So I'm going to post the video. You guys should watch out for that video. I'm going to post it within this week or next week. I'm not so sure, but definitely I'm leaning towards this week. So yeah, that's it. I've been busy with school, trying to get everything together, and no, but yeah, so I'm going to post content. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, that's it, guys. So please bear with me for the meantime, and whenever I'm going to give out content, I'll let you guys know. So, and yeah, okay, thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful 2023. Okay, bye guys. I'll close this video from this place. Bye.